YouTube, good morning. We got two pretty distressed red maples. I think they were both planted improperly. I've got 3 minutes to see if Thunder James can make this one disappear. Let's get it, partner. Boom. I like his chances. Boom. Not every day is crane day. Sometimes you're just doing the little things. This is a little thing day. Boom. Oh yeah. Bam. Bam. Doing good, partner. 1 minute. Send it. Oh yeah. "90 seconds. She gone. That's how to make a tree disappear, baby.